Alright, bought this for like $90, but it's worth it. Lady at the Town and Country told me this dries under the carpet, so I put it under my rug. And got this fan going. We'll see. Oh, the thing turned off. Shoot. Probably it's because it's too wet. See, that's what happens. Alright, we'll start again. We'll see how long it lasts. It's cloudy right now, so I'm expecting a storm to start again. So I'm gonna try to get as dry as I can before more water. I want to get this as dry as much as I can, so I'll be ready for the next wave.